What's going on? My name is Sai, and I'm going to show you what to do on the weekends, or if you don't feel like you have a. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you what to do on the weekends and when the market is closed for Forex trading. So, what usually I like to do, I set out my trades for the Monday to come or the week to come, and I like to get a good view of the market and see what's going to happen, see if the market's on a downtrend, see if I should short it, buy it, the usual stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys my process of everything and show you some charts as well, so that's a benefit. Really giving y'all some sauce because I took the time out to plot these charts and get a knack for them. And you guys watch these videos, so that's my gratitude to you guys. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I set up 4 trades, and I'll go down the list as the video goes along. But right here we have GU, Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. So I also want to give you guys a real quick tip. The banks like you, if you don't know this already, the banks like major numbers in the Forex market. So that would be even numbers, such as like things that end in zeros, like 21200. 21300, things like that, and 50 numbers as well. As you can see right here, we have a, where was it? It was at 400, you have right around here, or around 300, you have a resistance line right here, 100 line, you have resistance to these 2 points. If you really look around, you can find them all over the place. They just like even number because it's easy to calculate that, and it's easy to, I guess, get into the system. I'm not sure, but I wrote this as a short market, not really wanting to trade it, but if it keeps at this this trend line, then I'll definitely think about trading it. So the next move I would make on Monday would be, or the next pair I would make is UC. So for this market, we had previous trend lines that were very much respected. This should extend out a little bit more, just so we can get a knack for that. Okay, so for UC, I'm seeing a constant downtrend. Definitely going to go short if it continues on this on Sunday, which the market does open up on Sunday, but I don't trade Sunday because Sunday seems a little inefficient to me, and usually it's not very volatile. It's pretty slow day, as well as Friday, but this Friday was pretty good because I had traded Friday, and I got some pretty good trades in the morning, but as the day went along, got a little stale, never like that. So I had marked a major line, as you could see. It hit that, kind of hit it right here, definitely hit it right here, and definitely hit it right here. Railroad track up, all the way down with a bullet, or a bullish engulfing candle. I would call that a Maribozo candle. I think that's what it's called. Pretty sure this is gonna keep going down, or it's gonna retest this zone, as well as the zone we respected back here, hit right here with a, I mean, this isn't really a railroad, but it definitely had its chance to go down and resisted. So resisted right here, went into pretty much a doji, saying indecisiveness in the market. So when it went indecisive, it went down, of course, with an engulfing candle, a way engulfing candle over that doji, telling that sellers are still in control. Bears are still in control. Didn't try to reverse right here with a railroad, but it did not succeed. As you can see, continued up on the uptrend. You could have had a railroad right here, or a bullish railroad, but it did not do that exactly. So it hit you with pretty much a doji. Then it finished with an engulfing green candle. You can call that a Maribozo bullish. Went all the way back up. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of candlesticks that are not really respected. A lot of railroads that are not getting respected. That shows me that this market doesn't really respect a lot of things, as well as a railroad right here. I don't know. I think it's going to respect this zone. It definitely respects this tunnel. Yeah, so that's UC. You guys can use that however you want. This is what I do on Friday and today, exactly. I might look for 2 more markets, but I don't like having that many pairs under my belt. It confuses me. So, Euro, Great Britain pound. see what we got here. So this one I didn't like so much because it looks a little awkward, but there was a lot of major levels to this market. So we have the 150 and another 250. It is respecting the zones. Respecting the zones. This trend, not so much. It is hitting, but it's an ugly hitting, so it's pretty much in the air. History with this market does not really look too well either because we were on a downtrend, and this is new highs, completely new highs. Oh, look at that! I hit that in the past. That's a good hit. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Okay, so there's no history with this market unless you. Let's see how it looks on the day. Yeah, for the day there's history, but it's not very. It's good, you know. You have to go way back, which I don't look that far back. Since I don't scalp, but at the same time, I don't hold trades for hours on end. So yeah, this is EG. Yeah, something to look out for is long on this market. It looks like it's going to continue with the uptrend. Not many candlestick patterns in this market. But yeah, you probably have 3 white soldiers right here. Yeah, not really anything I'm interested in, but I wrote it down just to have it under my belt. So next chart is AC. AC. It's funny. So what do we got here? This one also wasn't too entertaining to me, as there's not much going on. A lot of consolidation, as it's respecting that 400 line. I could have wrote a zone right there, but I felt like the zone would have been too big for it. But this is how it would look like if I had a zone. I would most likely have to hit the top of that wick, which is too much to really chart out. So I just did a line. I understand my lines. A lot of people say that lines are inefficient, but at the end of the day, your trading is your trading, so it doesn't matter what other people say as far as what you like. But yeah, this market doesn't really seem that entertaining to me either. I definitely want to watch out for this end Mariposa candle, bearish Mariposa candle. Those usually tell me that price is gonna immediately be rejected, as it already is, and it's already broken the resistance line and going down to my support line. It could reflect off that support line right away, or like it did back here. Got a nice railroad track right here. It respected the zone to an extent. It really respected the zone. Shot back down, went all the way back up, and continued on the uptrend and went consolidation. So very unentertaining here. Really want to see if it's going to hit this zone again. If it hits this zone again, then I'm not even going to look at this trade because it's not going to matter to me. 15-minute, looking pretty bad. 1 hour, looking pretty bad. Looks like it's going to go short. 4 hour, definitely going short. So that's why I wrote this in as it's going in a short market. Consolidation usually means short. But I would say every Friday you want to map out your charts, you want to look at an overview, you want to take care of yourself over the weekend, readjust your mind if you had any losses, try not to focus on that. Really just focus on you for the weekend, get your head right, get ready for the week to come, and give it your all, man. I don't know. But thank you for watching. I'm going to end it here. I just want to say thanks to everyone that's helping me with my channel. You guys mean a lot to me, to be honest. So, thanks. Peace.